Hello everybody, this is Nora and I am here with a tag video. I was tagged by Nails of Interest. Thank you Nails of Interest for tagging me. This is an important tag video because if you guys don't know, this is about nail care or nail care routine, and so many of you have asked questions about to us about how to best take care of your nails, or how do we take care of our nails. This was started by Just Nailed It, so thank you Just Nailed It for starting this fun tag, an important tag, something nice to share about. So there are 10 questions. I'm going to go ahead and start with number 1. I figured I have just finished giving myself a manicure, removed all the gels and powders. I have nothing but my natural nails with my favorite base coat, which I will tell you about, and I have mentioned a lot of these products before on some of my videos. So question number 1 is to name my favorite cuticle oil. My favorite cuticle oil is anything that comes in any of these easy applicable pens with the little bristles that you can just put anywhere, or yeah, a roller ball type of container like this, because this it's super easy to refill. You pop that thing out and refill it. So far I have been refilling with this. I've had this for a few years now because I keep getting a lot of these new, okay? But when it's time to refill, I do refill with the Bliss Kiss cuticle oil. So yes, this is really great. So any cuticle oil, guys, that you can get your hands on, it will be quite nourishing for your nails. Question number 2 is my favorite lotion. Okay, favorite lotion is, by no question, it's this one right here that I've been using for years. I started doing nails back in 2013. I will say I've been using this since at least 2014, non-stop. I swear by this. You can find it at Sally's. I have mentioned it on my videos before. I love this because as soon as, in my routine consists of 3 things that sit on my nightstand nightly, okay? The oils are throughout the day as I'm doing my nails, changing my nail art. Every night, nightly, by my nightstand, I have this lotion right here, my cuticle oil, and a cream, okay? There's a difference between my cream and my lotion. This is a cuticle cream, and I applied this nightly. The cream and the oil leave your nails, obviously your hands, you have that oily, greasy feel. The reason I love this lotion so much is because after I'm done with the oils and the creams, I apply this and it kind of absorbs the oils, and I can go straight to my electronic devices, you know, whether it's your watch, your tablet, your phone, and you don't leave any greasy marks on the glass. That's why I like it so much. So let's see, question number 3, glass or regular file. I have been very recently, I was just started using this glass file by iMethod. So yes, I do like it very much, and because I file my nails pointy, I do sometimes go to the regular file because of the thickness of this file. It just makes it a little difficult to go between the nail and the skin and making this shape just a little bit, not much, but yes, I do love this glass file. Do you trim or file your nails? Is question number 4. I do file my nails, no trimming, only my toenails I trim. Question number 5, have you thought about doing a nail care video? I have had my share of nail care videos. I do have a playlist, and so I will have that link down in the description bar below if you guys are interested in seeing more videos about that. Question number 6, do you soak your nails during a manicure? What, with like Palmolive? No, just kidding. That is an old joke. Anyway, so no, I do not soak my hands in water with anything during a manicure. Question number 7, gel or regular polish? As you guys know, I do use both. I have a fairly good collection of both types of polishes, and I enjoy them both for different reasons. Question number 8, 1 piece of nail care advice. My nail advice, guys, is going to be this right here. If I tell you, if nothing else, gloves. Anytime your hands are going to be exposed to dirt, water, harsh chemicals, cleaning detergents, whatever, use your gloves, okay? Because if you do all this, but you're never protecting with this, you're kind of counteracting everything else, all right? So yes, I do have at least 3 pairs of gloves in my house that I keep around. Question number 9, favorite part of your nail care routine? I will say my Rejuvecoat application. I really enjoy applying this. It's a beautiful, very effective base coat. I've been using this for about a year and a half now since I left my gel overlays, and yes, I've learned from experience how well it does in strengthening my nails and keeping them healthy. So, and this is available on Amazon. I'll have the link down below, as well as this. You can find this at Sally's, but this I buy it on Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. Let's see, question number 10. We're on the last question. So favorite 3 nail care items you cannot live without. I cannot live without my gloves. I cannot live without my oil, and I cannot live without my Rejuvecoat. I just recently repurchased this. So yep, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and tag. I'm going to tag Manisha M, Lashani 21 Nails, and Beauty by Glory. Yeah, let's hope and see if you guys make your videos and let us know. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.